Now we are going to see half adder and full adder experiment. So the first one is aim. Aim is to study by design and construct half adder and verify the truth tables using logic gates. And the procedure is connections are given as per circuit diagram, and we have to switch on the digital lab trainer kit, and inputs are given using the toggle switch, and then we have to observe the output and we have to verify the truth table. And here the input variable is a and b, and the output variable is sum and carry. So this is the circuit diagram for half adder, and this is the truth table. That is, if you give input as 0 and 0, then the sum will be 0 and the carry will be 0. If you give input as 0 and 1, then the output will be 1 and 0, that is sum 1 and carry 0. Likewise for other. Now the next one is K-map for sum and carry. By using K-map, you can able to find the Boolean expression. So for doing K-map, you have to first check the truth table where 1 is present in the output. So if you give input as 0 and 1, you will get 1 in the sum part. So in the K-map, you have to put 1 where the 1 is present in the truth table. In the 0 and 1, you get 1. So you have to put in that box in K-map. Likewise, you have to put for all the things and you will get the Boolean expression. For example, in the K-map for sum, you have 2 1 here. First one is in you get if you put the input as 0 1. So in place of 0, you have to put a complement, and in the place of 1, you have to put b. And if you give input as 1 0, then you will get a 1 for that in the output. For that, you have to put 1 as a and 0 as b complement. So a complement b plus ab complement is in the form of XOR gate. So we are writing expression like this. Likewise for K-map for carry. So this is the list of components you will require if you are going to do this experiment. And the next one is full adder. The aim is to study by design and construct full adder and verify their truth tables using logic gates. And the procedure is same, like you have to connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram, and you have to switch on the digital lab trainer kit, and inputs are given using the toggle switch, and you have to observe the output and verify the truth table. And here the input variable is a, b and c, and the output variable is sum and carry. So this is the circuit diagram for full adder, and the truth table is this. That is, in the input, if you give 0 0 0, in the output you will get carry as 0 and sum as 0. Likewise for the, and this is the K-map for sum and carry in full adder. This is the same case as I told in half adder, and in the K-map for carry, you have to group the ones and you have to write the expression. And the next one is the list of components you will require if you are going to do full adder. So now we are going to implement half adder. For that you will need 2 toggle switch and 1 XOR gate and 1 AND gate, and then 2 bulb that will be named as sum and carry. And now we are going to give input and output. Zero and 0, the output will be 0 0, and if you give 1 and 0, then the output will be 1 0, and if you give 0 and 1, the output will be 1 0, and if the input is 1 1, then the output will be 0 1. So now we are going to implement full adder. For that we will need 3 toggle switch and 2 XOR gate and 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate, and then 2 bulb for output. And now we are going to label this, and we are going to make connection. So now we are checking the truth table. If we give input as 0 0 0, then the output will be 0 0, and if we give input as 0 0 1, then the output will be 1 0, and if we give input as 0 1 0, then the output will be 1 0. Likewise, we have to check for all. So finally we checked the truth table.